In today's world, many people live lives that are extremely busy. From early morning to late at night, their time is filled with work, study, communication, and endless responsibilities. They move quickly from one task to another and often feel proud of how much they can handle in a single day. Being busy is usually seen as a sign of success. A busy person is often described as motivated, ambitious, and strong. However, behind this active lifestyle, there is a quiet problem that many people do not talk about. Even though life is busy, the mind often feels empty. At first, a busy life can feel exciting. When people have many plans and goals, they feel important and needed. Their days seem meaningful because they are always doing something. There is little time to feel bored, and boredom is often seen as something negative. As a result, many people try to fill every moment of their day. When one task ends, another one immediately begins. Over time, this constant activity becomes normal, and slowing down starts to feel uncomfortable. An empty mind does not mean that there are no thoughts. In reality, the mind of a busy person is often full of thoughts. However, these thoughts are usually short, fast, and surface level. People think about deadlines, messages, money, plans for the future, and problems that need quick solutions. There is little time for deeper thinking. The mind reacts instead of reflecting. Because of this, thoughts do not stay long enough to create understanding. One important reason for this emptiness is the pressure to always be productive. Modern society often teaches people that their value comes from what they do, not from who they are. If someone is always working or improving, they are respected. If someone rests or slows down, they may feel guilty or lazy. This way of thinking pushes people to stay busy even when they are tired. Rest becomes something that must be earned, not something that is naturally needed. As people continue living this way, they slowly lose connection with their inner world. They become very good at managing tasks, but not at understanding themselves. They may know how to meet expectations, but not how to listen to their own feelings. When the mind is always focused on external demands, there is no space to notice internal signals. Stress, sadness, or confusion are ignored until they become too strong to avoid. Technology has made this problem even more serious. Smartphones and digital devices are always nearby, offering constant stimulation. When there is a quiet moment, many people immediately reach for their phones. They scroll through social media, watch short videos, or read messages. These activities keep the mind busy, but they do not help it rest. Instead of giving the mind time to process thoughts and emotions, technology fills every empty space with noise. Because of this constant distraction, people rarely sit alone with their thoughts. Silence becomes unfamiliar and even uncomfortable. When the phone is not there, the mind feels restless. This restlessness often comes from emotions that have been ignored for too long. Instead of facing these feelings, many people choose distraction again. As a result, the mind stays busy but never feels full. Over time, an empty mind can lead to emotional exhaustion. People may feel tired even after sleeping. They may feel unmotivated even when they have clear goals. Achievements no longer bring satisfaction, and daily life starts to feel repetitive and meaningless. This can be confusing, especially for people who seem successful from the outside. They may wonder why they feel empty when everything appears to be fine. One reason for this confusion is that being busy can hide deeper problems. When life is full of activity, there is little time to question direction or purpose. Important questions like, why am I doing this? Or, what do I really want? Are often pushed aside. However, these questions do not disappear. They stay in the background and slowly create discomfort. Without reflection, people continue moving forward without knowing where they are going. A meaningful mind requires awareness. Awareness means paying attention to thoughts, feelings, and experiences without immediately judging or escaping them. It means allowing the mind to slow down. This is not easy for people who are used to constant activity. When the pace slows, uncomfortable feelings may appear. Regret, fear, or uncertainty can surface. For this reason, many people return to busyness as soon as possible. However, discomfort is not always harmful. In many cases, it is necessary for growth. When people allow themselves to stay with their thoughts instead of running away, they begin to understand themselves better. They start noticing patterns in their behavior and emotions. They realize which activities give them energy and which ones drain it. This understanding helps the mind become clearer and more focused. Creating a fuller mind does not require major life changes. Small moments of reflection can already make a difference. Sitting quietly for a few minutes, writing down thoughts at the end of the day, or taking a walk without music can help the mind slow down. These simple actions give the mind space to organize itself. Thoughts become less rushed, and emotions become easier to recognize. As awareness grows, people begin to make more conscious choices. They start understanding the difference between being busy and being meaningful. Some activities may still be necessary, even if they are not enjoyable. However, people can choose how they relate to these activities. Instead of rushing through everything, they can bring more presence into what they do. Rest also becomes more valuable. Rest is not only about sleeping or taking breaks from work. It is about giving the mind permission to stop performing. During rest, the mind processes experiences and emotions. It connects ideas and creates insight. Without enough mental rest, the mind stays shallow and reactive. With rest, it becomes deeper and more balanced. A busy life does not have to result in an empty mind. The problem appears only when busyness replaces awareness. When people slow down, even slightly, they reconnect with their inner world. They may still have responsibilities and pressure, but they no longer feel lost inside them. Their actions begin to match their values, and their efforts feel more meaningful. In the end, life will always have demands. There will always be tasks to complete and goals to reach. But the mind does not need to feel empty. By choosing awareness over constant distraction and reflection over endless speed, people can build a life that is not only busy, but also meaningful. In that balance, the mind becomes full again, not full of noise, but full of understanding.